Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot reach any website on Motorola Moto E6i. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Chrome, and right here, just to show you, if we try to open or refresh any web page, we have this problem. To fix this, go back to your settings and then scroll all the way down. There should be system, then select date and time and make sure that you're using network provided settings. Now we can go back to our Google Chrome and refresh the same page. And it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.